Okay. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna search it. Okay. You are being.
What's going on, Mother Truckers? A subscriber sent me this video. He was right at the border, and then the German Shepherd start doing his thing and basically start going close to the trailer. So the truck driver said that he didn't mind them checking the trailer, but he did not want them going into the cab because that's his personal space. Mother Truckers, watch this and tell me, was Border Patrol being a little bit too physical? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And I'm going to try to have the subscriber on the show in a live interview to say exactly what happened. But at the end of this, there was nothing. They didn't find anything. So was Border Patrol wrong? Or should the truck driver have been a little bit more compliant? Mother Truckers, comment down below.
Good. Mind not showing your light at me, sir?
No, I'm gonna keep my light on you. So my dog is alerting to the car in your truck. Is it okay if I search it?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you as a courtesy, but you actually don't have a choice right now. Okay. So do me a favor, shut the engine up.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
For what?
Because my dog is alerting to your truck.
Alerted?
Yeah, he's alerting to your truck. You know what that means?
Nope.
Okay, well, it's not my job to educate you. I'm just letting you know he is alerting to your car, so we need to search it. Now, I'm actually giving you the choice to step out on your own, and if you do that, that'd be great. If not, we're gonna have to take you out.
Well, you're not gonna put the dog inside my truck, that's for sure.
He's alerting to the truck.
You can put it around the truck, but not inside.
Okay, well, come on out.
I feel more safer inside my truck, sir.
Okay,
I'll turn it off. Hold on, I'll turn it off.
Okay, so you're recording, and I want to make sure that you're recording.
Do you mind not blinding me?
Do you mind not blinding me? I want to hear you say that you're not willing to come out.
Do you mind not blinding me?
What's that?
Do you mind not blinding me, sir?
I can't hear you.
Do you mind not blinding me? You're blinding me with your lights.
I need to be able to keep my eyes on you.
I got my hands outside. My hands are outside. I'm not doing nothing. Okay. I'm just recording for my safety.
Okay, and that's fine. So let me put my dog away, and I'm gonna come back, and we'll take care of this.
Okay, sir. I'm trying to be compliant as much as I can.
Well, then if you are being compliant, I need you to step out right now.
But what's the cause? Because he alerted on what?
All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna help you get this guy out.
And just step out of the car, man. I will, bro. But hey, listen. I mean, you're. Okay.
The dog alerted to the
All right.
Let him check it and you'll be on your way.
All right, but he's not going to be inside my truck, though.
Huh?
He's not going to be inside my truck, though.
Okay, look, he's got probable cause to check the entire
That's
vehicle.
fine.
Okay?
That's fine. I let him do outside, but he's not going to do inside my truck.
Well,
Sounds good?
Well, no, he has the right to check inside your vehicle.
Well, go ahead and do what you guys do.
Watch out.
Well, go ahead with. Hey, stop blinding me. Dude, stop. Why? Are you scared?
I'm not scared.
Then why stop blinding me? My hands are like right here. My hands are not in my pocket. I got it right here.
Come on over here. Come on
All
over here.
right. All right. Hey, dude, don't touch me, bro.
I'll touch you if I want.
No, dude,
Okay,
why are
go.
you guys doing that?
We're not here to play games.
I'm not either. I'm not either, sir.
All right, have a seat.
Okay. What was your name and what's your badge number?
176. You can sit
What's
down.
What's your name?
I'll give you my information.
Okay.
As long as you do what I'm telling you to do,
All right, cool.
There's no problem.
All right.
Sit down.
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? Dude, it's like, what the hell is your guys' problem, bro? I got nothing. I work my ass off. That's all I do, man.
You got nothing, you'll be on your way right now.
All right.
Not a big deal.
It is a big deal because you.
Close the keys, let it check inside the car, and you'll be on your way. Okay? Make things easy. It's not a big deal.
Look, sir,
Okay.
it doesn't matter if you're recording. We still gotta do
Gotcha.
it. Okay. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna search it. Okay? You are being.